Hi everyone, it's Carrie. I have an unboxing for you today from Lion Brand. It's their new yarn, but it took a while to get here. They said that it was going to be a little bit of time. I got the new yarn and a little bit of old. So let's open that. The first one is the Naboo. It's soft. I knew it would be. It's 100% Lyocell. 3 ounces, 85 grams, 157 yards, or 144 meters. Machine wash on gentle, lay flat to dry. The color I have here is called Mocha, and it's made in China. And it is a 4. And I would say it's a light 4. Very pretty color. I like the Taboo line. It's very nice. I would buy that again. Sunset Nights. I don't know why there's only one. I thought I got 3 of them. I guess they only had one at the time. So they sent me one. That's the name of it. I'm not going to butcher the name. It's very pretty. It's soft. It's a 4. I would say it is. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 273 yards, or 250 meters. 90 acrylic, 10% polyester. Machine wash on gentle, lay flat to dry. And it is made in China. I like it. I don't know why I only got one. I'm gonna have to look into that one. Next one is Just Head. It's 100% hemp. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 93 yards, or 85 meters. Machine wash on gentle, tumble dry on low. It is made in China. The color I have is called Hay. It's not the softest. I kind of knew it would be. So it says it's a 5. I would say that's actually a 4. I think you would agree with me there. It's not the softest. I probably wouldn't get that again. Now I got some more Pima cotton. I do like Pima cotton. I got the Cabernet. Very pretty pink. It's soft. It's a very soft. It's a 4. For weight, I would say it is. It's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 186 yards, or 170 meters. 100% cotton. Machine washable and dryable. And it is made in Turkey. So I got 3 of those. This is not new. They had brought it back for a limited time. The wool spun. It's very soft. I like it. It is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 127 yards, not meters, 116 meters, 80% acrylic, and 20% wool. It's a bulky 5, and I would say yes, it is. And it is machine washable and dryable. Made in Turkey. The color I have here is blush rose. It's a very pretty Victorian rose color. Then the last thing I got, Sesame Street. If you watch Sesame Street, I had to get this for my collection of my Sesame Street ones. And let's read about it. If you don't know who she is, she's Abby. This is 2.5 ounces, 70 grams, 95 yards, 87 meters. Machine washable on gentle cycle. Lay flat to dry. It's a 4-weight. I would say it is. It's 100% polyester. I hope they come out with all the lines. Snuffleupagus. Who else is there? I can't think right now. Ernie, Bert. So this is going to go in my collection with my Oscar and Big Bird. And so that is my little haul from Lion Brand. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye.